we call for the unity of this region, we don't want to unite this region against anybody. Far from it. Every region has its unique challenges and aspirations that must be addressed in a specific manner. We want to encourage all regions to be united, and once they are united, we unite the country. But unity, like any other program, the approach is bottom up. If we are saying the way to reform our economy is through the bottom up economic transformation agenda, unity too will be achieved through the bottom up economic model, the bottom up approach. We start with the family. You cannot unite the people of Kenya if your own family is fighting. You start at home. The husband and the wife and the children are talking one language. Once you unite the family, you unite the village. People talk the same language in the village. Once the village is united, you unite the sublocation. The sublocation is talking the same language. Once you finish, you come to the location. You move from the location, you go to the division. From the division, you unite the sub-county. Once the sub-counties are united, you unite the county. When we have in this region, our 11 counties are united, then we unite the Mount Kenya region. Then Western can be united, Northeastern can be united, Nairobi can be united, Rift Valley can be united, Eastern can be united, Nyanza can be united. Then we unite all these regions into one united nation called Kenya. I called for the unity of this region, and I'm happy that the ordinary people from this region are united to a man. True or false? So ignore a few noises here and there. And I ask the leaders from this region, please, all politics is local. All politics is local. Listen to the ground. Takuuliza viongozi wote. Na these MCAs they know because hawatoki ground. Wanaketi ground, wanasikiza ground. Listen to the ground. And leaders of this region who want to fight unity, don't speak in Western. Don't speak in Rift Valley. Come and speak here. If you think this unity is a bad thing for the Mount Kenya region or is tribalism the way I'm hearing, don't speak outside there. Kuja ita mkutano hapa Mkurueini, useme hii umoja ya Mount Kenya ni ukabila. Kaati kuwado ito. They should come and speak from here. Don't speak from far. Because I want to advise our leaders with tremendous respect. Please, our leaders, all politics is local. Listen to your people. Listen to the ground. Align your thinking, your utterances with the people. That is what I do all the time. Mimi nasikizaga ground. I align myself with the ground at any one time. And I've never gotten it wrong in my political life. Any time a decision has to be made, mimi naingia mashinani nasikiza, and I align to my bosses, the people. These are our bosses. And these are the final boss. Wenye kurenew contract yako ni hawa. Wenye kuterminate contract yako ni hawa. These are the people you must please. They are other bosses, lakini the final boss ya mtu wote ya kuchaguliwa ni hawa. Na mimi najua hiyo. I know that. So me, I listen to the ground. I listen to my people. My people are saying we want to be united. And we are not being united against anybody or any other region. We are united in purpose so that we can fight for our fair share of the national cake. So that we can retain our relevance in the national political discourse, so that when we go to sit on the table to decide on what happens to Kenya, tunakuta kiti yetu imewekwa mpaka imewekelewa maua, kwa sababu tuko wengi na tuko na nguvu. Nguvu yetu ikiisha, hatutakuwa kwa hiyo meza. Mimi nilisema uchaguzi ulikwisha, tusameane. Tulikwaruzana, tulipigana. Uchaguzi umeisha. We are the same people. We are brothers and sisters. Why should we fight each other? Tuendelea ndio tuohanire. Turekanire. Ni icio niguo mugambo wako he nyumba ino itu githurano giathirire. Andu othe ni mohanire, marekanire. Ndukanoe kahiu thece mũrũ wa nyũkwa mũgongo, ndukanaiguĩre mwari wa nyũkwa ũigua atĩ nĩahikio nĩ gĩtonga, no ũkorwo gĩtonga kĩu nĩ gĩathomithia ciana ciaku. Rekei twendane andũ a nyũmba itũ, na ithuurano itikana tũgayũkanie, na tũtikagayũkanie nĩ andũ kuma na nja. Rekei tũcire twĩ nyũmba, tũiguithanie, tũcire maũndũ maitũ, twendane, tũiguanĩre tha, tũnyitanĩrĩre. Na nĩ njugaga mbogo iticiaraga hamwe nĩ kwendana, nĩ ũgwati wa gũthiĩ rĩiki. Koguo no korwo ndwendete ũrĩa ũngĩ, angĩkorwo mwaragia wario rũmwe mwendetu, ikara tu nake tondũ nĩ wanyu, na kũngiugua ũguo nĩwe ũgũka gũgũteithũra. Koguo rekei twendane nyũmba itũ, tũrekanĩre, tuohanĩre, twendane, tũnyitane, tũgĩe na ũrũmwe, na Ngai witũ nĩ agũtũkinyia kũrĩa twendaga gũkinya. Wenda kũria atongoria othe aindi na uru, MCA, MP, Senator, Women Rep, Governor, thikiriria ya andũ aya, thikiriria i ground, thikiriria ya no wathũngũ wanyu ũrĩa marauga mũkauma andũ aya thutha. Na Governor ndagũthikiriria huyo, we nĩ ũthikagĩrĩria andũ aya. Andũ aya no mathikagĩrĩria. Mũndũ wa kahiga igũrũ rĩu mũno nĩguo. Ũmũthĩ ũyũ kũngĩrwo kũrĩ ũndũ kũrendekana ũrĩa angĩenda noguo andũ mangiuga, tondũ arathikĩrĩria andũ arĩkũ? Na ma MCA maya maitũ nĩndĩraigua nĩ marathikĩrĩria ground, MPs nao no marathikĩrĩria ground, mũndũ wothe nĩ athikĩrĩrie ground. Na waigua he kaũndũ ũkwenda kuuga gakoniĩ gĩcigo gĩkĩ, tiga kuugĩra kũraihu. Ũkaugĩre kũ? Tiga kuugĩra kũraihu na WhatsApp group cia andũ a kũndũ kũngĩ. Eithandĩka WhatsApp group cia gũkũ Mount Kenya, uge ithuĩ tũtirenda ũrũmwe, nĩ ũkabira, tũtirenda mbeca igayo na ũingĩ wa andũ. Andĩka maũndũ macio no andĩke group cia gũkũ, kana ũngĩkorwo hihi wĩ mũndũ rũme-rĩ, ũke mũcemanio-inĩ wĩre andũ a gũkũ kĩrĩma gĩtikanyitane, nĩ ũkabira.